Hey guys, welcome back to Dwood Reviews. I'm David. If you're like me, you struggle with taking the tree down after Christmas. Do you try to get it back in the box that the tree came in, or what do you do? It's a pain in the butt when you put it up for Christmas, separating all the limbs and getting them all to look just right. Well, I found this bag on Amazon that fits your tree in it in pieces without having to completely collapse it back inside the box. Now, I will recommend that you get the 9-foot bag that's designed for a 9-foot tree if you have a 7-foot tree in your house. It just gives you that little bit of extra room and only costs a couple extra dollars. Here's me taking my tree down and putting it in the bag very easily and quickly. This took me all of about maybe 5-6 minutes. If you like these kind of videos, hit that subscribe button. It'll really help me out and doesn't cost you anything. As you can see, this took no time at all, went into the bag very easily. I was even able to put the metal stand in there and zip it all up and go put it in the basement. If you'd like to pick one of these up for yourself, click on the link down in the description below.